right now we're getting a lot of glup, glup, glupping. That's the water ice is churning. It's starting to freeze up. You can actually see the coloration change in the lemon a little bit where it's icing up. And here you can start to see it going, but it's got some time left. You'll see the viscosity, it slowly starts to creep up and then it kind of skyrockets. So you start to see it freezing up. The viscosity, I think we started off at like a 4 or 5. We're only at an 8 right now, so we got a while to go. But the viscosity really takes off once it gets to a certain point. It freezes very quick, and once it freezes, it takes off. So we might take 10 minutes to go from 4 to 10, 11, but 3-4 minutes to go from 11 to 22, 23. We're almost down. We got 1 minute left. As you can see, we're at viscosity 22, which is pretty good in my experience for the lemon ice. Again, you could freeze it a little bit more. You can make it a little softer. It's up to you. Again, that's some of the artistic and the artisanal portion of making Italian ice. So once this beeps, we're going to take our product out. We're dangling between 22 and 23. The next batch we're gonna make was our Granny Smith apple. I'm actually gonna use the set feature rather than the actual. So if we want to take the ice, I'm gonna turn the refrigeration off and allow this to come out. And it looks like nice, clean, smooth mashed potatoes. But it's actually lemon ice. Okay. We'll grab another bucket. You want to do this fairly quickly because you don't want to beat it up. So we got a little bit extra yield. And we let it run until we've exhausted it all out. Shut our dasher. And we never want to open that door until the dasher is completely off. We got a single latch door, which is a great feature. Could have ran that a little bit longer, get that last bit out.
Overall, you got a pretty clean barrel.
Yeah, that's beautiful. Look how clean that is. Most of the product comes out. I could have ran another 10 seconds longer, got the rest of that out. So we have this, our finished tub of lemon ice. As you can see, it scoops very nice. It's beautiful. It slides right into our cup. This is just a perfect ice. Okay, I'm a fan of the soft, more warmer ice. Grew up in Philadelphia where water ice was kind of born, and I remember as a kid, I used to help a neighborhood guy make lemon ice, and back then we actually squeezed lemons. So it was, God forbid I got a cut in my hand. It was horribly painful. I should have got hazard pay because all I did was squeeze lemons and get lemon juice in these cuts. But we just used real lemons in the lemon ice, and it was fantastic. Well, it's hard to scale that. You can't buy hundreds and hundreds of lemons to make your lemon ice. Some people still do it, and I give them a lot of credit. But now we have products like lemon ice base and lemon emulsion that we can substitute and use. Is the lemon as good as it was back then? I don't believe so. But most things aren't from what we remember. But it's still a fantastic ice, and it's smooth and it's creamy. Now you can add lemon emulsion to a base. You can add lemon zest to a base to kind of spruce up your recipe and your product. Lemon used to be the #1 seller, and it's diminished down beneath cherry, beneath mango, beneath some other flavors, but it's still a very popular flavor. So now we have our Granny Smith apple product, and we're going to let Angelo fill that up and get that going. I brought in some professional taste testers. Bonnie and Jennifer have been working here for a combined 600 years.
It only feels like that.
But they've been trying our water ice, and they've been our guinea pigs for a long time. So we want to get their live reaction on camera to this wonderful lemon ice. Very good.
Very good. A little tangy.
Yeah, it is tangy. That's why it should be very refreshing.